I'm Louis. I'm 28 years old. My career is in sports marketing. Sports is a massive part of my life, not just through work. So yeah, that's kind of me in a nutshell. So when I was in my first year of university, I started realizing that I was getting some double vision. It just impacted every part of my life, really. So socially, it was quite difficult maintaining eye-to-eye contact with people. As I said, I'm a massive sportsman, so that was always quite difficult. It was my right eye that I had the issue with. So I would end up having to like talk to people and they might not notice, but I would kind of lean to one side, lean to my left so that one, it was easier for me to talk to them and to, maintain that eye to eye contact, but also for them not to see that I was going cross-eyed. My confidence during the 8 years, I think that I had double vision was definitely impacted, but also it took a lot of brain power for me to try and concentrate on just kind of looking at something, whether that's someone or if it's something in the distance. I started looking into treatment. I contacted my doctor who referred me to the NHS. So I did go along that route and was hoping for a surgery to be quite quick. Unfortunately, it wasn't. I did have surgery with the NHS, but it did take a long time. And unfortunately, it didn't work. In fact, my problem got worse a couple of months after. And yeah, that's when I decided to contact the clinic. Mr. Ali went and kind of inspected my issue, said, all right, we can get you in for surgery in 2 weeks. So for me, who had been suffering from this for 8 years, that was just kind of mind blowing that I could have this issue solved within a matter of weeks. To be completely honest, I do have a phobia of certain hospital things. I have a needle phobia. That's always a little bit scary for me. But the treatment that I got, as soon as turning up to the hospital in the morning, they were extremely caring. Not just Mr. Ali, the nurses as well, and all the rest of the team definitely helped mitigate those feelings. I actually recovered really well straight after the surgery. Yes, it's a little bit achy for the first couple of days, and you might get a little bit tired. But overall, I definitely didn't feel as much pain or discomfort as I thought I would. It started raining outside, so I'm just going to move my laptop. Mr. Ali told me to take my iPad. I had an eye patch for a couple of hours after surgery on the day, and he told me to take it off, I think a few hours or later in the evening. I did notice kind of immediately that there was an impact. I went for a short walk, and I did notice straight away that I was able to focus on just singular things. I could go on and on, I think. It has had, honestly, a massive and profound impact in so much of my life and everyday things. I'm going to the cinema tonight with my friends. And again, that was just something that I couldn't really do before. So that's brilliant. So I really think it's kind of helped my confidence in so much of my kind of social life and work life. And by extension, that's probably going to help my career, I think. So yeah, it's had a major impact in so much of my life. Going private, it comes at a cost, but it's completely worth it.